The Heartbeat of Assam. His untimely demise on September 19, 2025 sent shockwaves across India, with fans and well-wishers paying tribute to the legendary singer, composer, actor and filmmaker. As a multi-faceted artist, Zubeen Garg left an indelible mark on the cultural landscape of Assam and beyond. His contribution to music, cinema and social causes have made him a beloved figure, and his legacy continues to inspire generations. Actually, his musical journey began with the album Anamika in 1992. He went on releases several hit albums including Maya in 1994, Chandni Raat 1995 and Zindagi 2004. His songs such as Ya Ali from the movie Gangster in 2006, Dil Tu Hi Bata from Chris 3 in 2013 and Mayabini became anthems for music lovers across India. His music was a fusion of traditional Assamese folk and modern styles, making him a pioneer in Assamese music. Impact on Assamese music. Zubeen Garg's impact on Assamese music is really fabulous. He played a crucial role in reviving and popularizing traditional Assamese folk music, introducing it to a new generation of listeners. His efforts to preserve and promote Assamese culture earned him numerous awards and accolades, including the National Film Award for Best Music Direction for the non-feature film Echoes of Silence in 2009. Zubeen Garg's music was not only entertaining but also carried a message inspiring patriotism, love and social sense. Cinematic contribution. Zubeen Garg's contribution to cinema were equally impressive. He made his acting debut in the Assamese film Tumimur Mathumur in 2000 and went on to act in several films including Monjai in 2008, Mission China in 2017 and Kanchanjunga in 2019. He also directed and produced films, showcasing his versatility as a filmmaker. His directional ventures often reflected his commitment to showcasing the rich cultural heritage of Assam and the Northeast. Legacy. Zubeen Garg's legacy is a testament to his talent, hard work and dedication. He will be remembered as a cultural icon, a pioneer in Assamese music and a champion of social cause. His music and films continue to inspire new generations, and his philanthropic efforts have made a lasting impact on the lives of many. As we mourn his loss, we celebrate his life and legacy and his contribution to the world of music and cinema. Mayabini, a prayer to remember. Mayabini has become an anthem for many, a song that captured the essence of love, longing and nostalgia. The song's beauty lies in its ability to evoke emotions, transporting listeners to a world of memories and feelings. As we remember, Zubeen Garg's Mayabini becomes a prayer, a tribute to the legendary singer who gave us so much through his music. His legacy will live on and his songs will continue to inspire generations to come.